Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So guys, today I'm taking you along with me to show you how we buy and store our peppers and fresh tomatoes for the year. At this time of the year, I mean during summer like this, peppers and fresh tomatoes are sold in bulk and at much cheaper price, because once winter comes, buying just a few pieces costs a lot. So what we do is we take advantage of this season and buy in large quantities to store in the freezer. As you can see here, I started with shepherd pepper. Each carton was going for 16.99 cents. The same price applies to the red bell peppers as well. It doesn't matter which one you pick, they are all the same price per carton. So I bought 10 cartons of shepherd pepper and 10 cartons of bell pepper, just like we do with fresh tomatoes. In fact, a few days before this, I bought 10 cartons of fresh tomatoes. All these items are preserved and stored in the freezer so that we can use them throughout the year until the next season when they become available again. After shopping, I got home really tired, so I couldn't continue filming that same day. But after 2 days, I continued the process. Here, I am showing you how I clean and store them. For some of the bell peppers, I wash them, cut them open, remove the seeds, and then pack them into Ziploc bags. This method helps save space because you can press them down and your freezer can contain more. For others, I simply wash them and pack them whole without cutting or removing the seeds. The only downside to this method is that it takes up more space in the freezer, but I like to do both. The ones I stored whole are easy to grab when I just need few pieces, maybe 1, 2 or 3 peppers for cooking, and the ones I already cut and packed in Ziplocs are also convenient. I just take out what I need and return the rest. Sometimes I even blend some and store them that way too. At the end of the day, it all depends on what works best for you. So this is how we manage and store our vegetables during this season. From around August to September, we just buy in bulk, store them, and that saves us from going constantly to the store during winter when prices go really high. And thankfully, what we buy during this period usually lasts us until the next season comes again. And that's how we stay stocked all year round and avoid those expensive winter prices. Try it and thank me later. I hope this helps someone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home tips. See you in my next video. Bye.